this in Jesus' name. I got God on, feeling.
Just burnt all of them at once. It's easier to burn them than shredding. That's just my analogy.
When you hear me, and I got God on, angels around me, no toolie, and I got God on.
Yo, it's a croaker. It's a croaker. So you can't stand on that side or you're cooked.
Oh yeah, you'll be cooked. Totally. Totally. It feels good.
Elohim lives inside me, and I got God on.
The papers are fully burnt now. I need to open this thing. It's early Premier. Is a nail dryer. Why not, y'all? Why not? Something that will speed up the work so that you can do whatever you need to do. I actually bought this from a discount store. It's called Ollie's. Let's see how it is. Oh, and it was actually $16, y'all. I took the price out. Something is here. Okay. It looks good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay. And that's the instructions, I believe. Yeah, of course. There is this one here. Okay, some of this. Let's see. Oh, there's a nail cutter. I think I have like 20 nail cutters, y'all. I'm a person that has nail cutters everywhere because, as you can tell, I don't like long nails at all. So I have nail cutters in the car, in my bag, that when I think of checking my nails, I should have a nail cutter right where I am, y'all. So, and nail files. I have a lot of nail files like everywhere. So my daughter and I, we're going to see how this one works. Excuse me for any noise. One thing I like to take care of is the cuticles because they grow really, really, really fast. There, I don't know what you call them, y'all. And these ones are just to kind of like, well, you know the words, y'all. But I like the patches. I'm happy about it. I'm going down to do, not actually to do laundry, but I want to soak some clothes. The other day the kids told me this light is not working. Yep, and it's true, it's not working. So I have to fix that tomorrow. I like to put a lot of this. I like to use white. Oh, it smells so good. I like good smells. I'm just gonna, oh, I need soap. Going to add a little of salt. Want to have them stay here overnight. That's all the weight I have had the entire week. I'll cover them and put this on the side. Ooh la la. Okay.
Life as a single parent is underestimated. The people who think that, oh, you're a pro, oh, you're gonna be okay, and to some extent, yes, you're going to be okay. You don't have to have, a self-pity, kind of like down talk yourself in whatever status that you are in. But I feel like single parenting is underestimated because some of us, honestly, is situations happened, okay, that put us in this category. But I always feel like the world sympathizes a whole lot with a single dad compared to a single mom. Yes, that's how I feel. But what's your comment? Let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We are out, fully checked, because we have to sleep. Peace of Christ. Love one another.